are your teachers for today.
I am teacher Narma Basagwa.
I am teacher Nariel Rasmana. I am teacher Ranasari Villasurna. I am teacher Chisatagi. I am teacher Jessica Gallo.
And I am teacher Liza. Today we will demonstrate a simple mathematical exercise called jumping jacks. These activities commonly used in physical education because it helps warm up the body and improve overall fitness. It is easy to perform and can be done anywhere. Our objective for this demonstration is to help you understand the correct steps and proper form in doing jumping jacks so you can perform it safely and effectively.
Before we start, it is important to listen carefully and observe each movement. But before that, I'll give you a short background about jumping jacks. So jumping jacks is a fully body exercise that involves coordination of the arms and the legs. It helps improve cardiovascular endurance, balance, and body coordination. As we demonstrate, we focus on the proper posture, timing, and movement of each position.